Today I'll be showing you a quick and easy face mask DIY.
What do you do when you want to do it all?
Get unlimited.
J-League Unlimited.
Let's get started. So we're going to take our material, which is a tablecloth found at Walmart for under $4. We have 2 hair bands, a glue gun, and some scissors. So first step, take your material, which has a soft inside and a clean outside. I found this material to be absolutely great when it came to blocking things out and keeping things in. You're going to first put the glue across the top, then fold. Be careful to make sure the glue doesn't burn you. So as you can see, I have a nice fold here. I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. Fold after applying the glue across. So now you have both sides folded. Now we're going to take one of the hair bands and slide one end of the material in it. You're going to want to take both corners one at a time and folding inwards away from the edge just slightly, you're going to stick the material down. You're going to do the same thing with the other side, making sure to take that corner, applying a little bit of glue, and sticking it just to the inside edge of the material. Once both sides are tacked down, you're going to go ahead and stretch the band, making sure to hold down the middle to get that bunching action. Once it's all bunched together, you're going to go ahead and take the glue and secure down any lifted material. I want to make sure it's fully secure. Looks good. So we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Slide the edge through, get each corner one at a time, apply the glue, make sure that corner is tacked down just within the inside of the edge. Same thing to the other corner. Apply the glue and make sure it's just within the edge. Tighten that band to get the scrunching of the material. Gather the excess material in the middle after scrunching. Then apply the glue. You want to make sure that if there's any excess pieces lifted up, to glue those down to completely secure your folds. And there you have it. You're done. A quick face mask DIY done in less than 5 minutes, and you're able to make enough for the whole family for under $10. You can also bling it out with some simple bling strips from Walmart. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already done so, get unlimited.